Hello clarinets and welcome to your third guided music practice video. In today's lesson, we are learning and reviewing our repeats, so what they look like in our music and where we have to go, as well as our accents. You'll be successful when you can correctly identify where to go in your music for the repeats, as well as play and identify the accents in exercise 91. Let's start with exercise 90, Carnival of Venice. Pause now and look at your music and identify where all of the repeats are. So you can see a repeat after the first note of the music, and then you can see a first time ending bar and a second time ending bar. So this means that you have to make sure that you start at the G, go all the way through until you get to the end of the first time ending bar. Then you go back to the repeat at the start and go all the way through again. When you get to the first time repeat bar, you skip that because we played it on the first time. And now it's the second time, so we're going to play the second time ending. Let me show you. So here we have the first time ending bar. The first repeat bar. And here we have the first time ending. So we'll go from the beginning all the way through here, all the way to here, then we go back to the beginning, but not this note here, because that's where the start of the repeat is, and then we go all the way through again to here. We've already played this, so now we skip over and play this. Pause now and work out in your head where you're going to be going when you play this piece. Now sing the notes and do the fingers from the beginning. Ready? G, A, rest. G, F, rest. E, F, D, 2, rest. D, E, F, rest. G, A, rest. G, E, 2, 3, 4, rest. G, A, rest. G, F, rest. E, F, D, 2, rest. D, E, F, rest. G, A, rest. G, C, 2, 3, 4, rest. How did you go following along with your music? Did you get lost? If you did, pause, rewind, and do it again with me. If that was really easy and you didn't get lost at all, then sing it again on your own, pausing now. Now let's do it with smart music, nice and slowly. Pause and practice it at that speed really slowly, making sure that you're doing the rests and the counting. And now let's go again, faster. Now pause and do it again at that speed, still making sure that you're counting and doing the right repeats. And let's do it one more time now, even faster. fast you can get it, making sure that you shouldn't get faster until you can play it perfectly slowly. Now let's look at exercise 91, Chester. Chester has some accents and it uses the notes that we know so far. So pause now and work out all the notes on your page. Now, what is an accent? An accent is where you place emphasis on the start of the note and not the end. Ta is a good example of an accent. So singing in fingers for the first 2 bars with the accents. G to A, B, C to G to, and again. G to A, B, C to G to, and one more time. G to A, B, C to G to, and now play it. Make sure you are counting in your head. Do it again. Pause and practice that again on your own. And now do it with me. Now look at the next 2 bars. Pause and see if you can work out how to sing and do the fingers on your own. And now do it with me, singing in fingers. A, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4, and again. A, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4, and play it with me. Pause and practice those 2 bars on your own at least 5 times. Now see if you can connect the first 4 bars together, singing in fingers and then playing, and always making sure you're counting and doing the accents. Pause now and take as long as you need to. Now play it with me. 1, 2, 3. Pause and practice that again. And now look at the next 2 bars. These are the trickiest 2 bars in the song. So we're going to do it really slowly, singing in fingers. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, G. And again. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, G. Pause and practice singing and the fingers on your own 5 times. Now one more time with me. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, G, and play it with me. Pause and practice that on your own, making sure that you're doing all of the notes with the correct rhythms and fingers. And one more time with me. Now pause and practice the whole first section up till there on your own, making sure that you are doing the correct fingers, the accents, and the dynamics as well. Pause and practice another 3 times. And now pause and work out the last 2 bars on your own. Now let's sing and do the fingers from the beginning. G to A, B, C to G to A, C, B, A, G, 2, 3, 4, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, G, C, F, E, D, C, 2, 3, 4. Pause and practice that again on your own, and then see if you can join it together playing it. Practice that as much as you need to. Pause again if you want more time. And now play it with me. 3. Pause and practice that again on your own. And now we're going to do it with smart music. Pause and practice that and see if you can get it up to 90 or 96 beats per minute. So that's 96 on the metronome at the top of smart music. Let me know how you went today. Tell me if you want some more smart music assignments. How did you go playing all of the repeats and reading where they should go in exercise 90, and the accents and the dynamics and all the notes we know so far in exercise 80? Let me know how you went. Keep up the good work and happy practicing.